Good evening, welcome to another video. So I've just received my weekly rewards from Spirit Swap right here. Got about 500. Don't have a huge portfolio, but that's okay. It's about what, 46% APR. Pretty good. So what I'm going to do is on this video show you how to take my rewards that I've got from Spirit Spirit Swap. I'm going to take my rewards that I have, that I generate from linSPIRIT, from LQDR, and then we're going to put them into, we're going to find the correct pool on BEETHOVEN, then we're going to put it back and farm them all on Spirit Swap, whereas it's all the way down at the bottom. We're going to farm it here for 100% APR. So first thing is, let's do this. Let's claim it on Spirit Swap or inSPIRIT. These are my weekly rewards you get on Wednesday. Just blast this out. Uh-oh. I'm completely doxing myself. Oh, shit. Yo. Okay, so this is my... that was Ledger Live, because I have a ledger, because I take my security seriously. I try to anyway. So this is going to be claiming. Oh, okay, it's claimed. So I've got 0 spirit. Yo, I didn't plan on claiming my rewards here. Yeah, let's just leave it. So now I'm going to go to BEETHOVEN. I want to show you this. I'm going to start. So go to BEETHOVEN. I'm going to click Invest Farm. I need to now go to Community Pools. From here, I'm going to click on Water Music by Liquid Driver. As you can see, you've got the Spirit and inSPIRIT token, or linSPIRIT token, that's what it is. And the APR doesn't look great here, but that's okay. So now I'm going to invest. I'm going to click max and max. The price impact isn't too bad. If I was to optimize it, yeah, but nah, let's put it all in. Let's preview it. Let's invest. Let's confirm it. So I am giving my, rather than just sell them, I'm now staking. Well, no, I'm depositing the tokens into the pool. And then with that LP token, I am now going to come over to Liquid Driver. And it is at the bottom, and it'll be here, and I'm going to stake. And look, I've got some tokens. Great. So I'm going to confirm that. Confirm. And then I've got to do another transaction. And is that it? Is that it? Yeah, deposited. Look, claim, join pool, and then deposit. Just 3 transactions there. And so that's increased, what was it, like 170 or something that the value was. So as you can see, that's the value of linSPIRIT and inSPIRIT I've got. I've just collected that over time rather than selling them. I'm putting them back into this pool, yeah, and getting 100% basically on returns. So I'm happy with that. And also because linSPIRIT is liquid, I could always convert it back to spirit and then stake it or do other things with it. So that is what I'm doing this week. That's the video. Hope you have a great day and stay safe.